My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are well by the Almighty of Allah. I welcome everybody to my class. Today I will take English second paper, and it's an important topic, active to passive. Today's class, it's a board question, so I think everybody enjoy and mindfully the class. So now I am going to the class, active to passive. Active voice to passive voice. Just when you want to answer the question in the hall room, first of all, you have to try to find out the sentence. Which voice it is, active or passive. So, just television should telecast television program. This make a passive voice. So, when you want to passive voice, first of all you have to find out the verb. Because before verb, subject, and after verb, subject is placed. So, first of all, telecast is the verb. After the verb, object. You always first of all find out the object. Then you have to find out the tense. It's present indefinite tense. So, according to my rules, I take this class. In my previous class, how can you active into passive? I taught you. So, according to my structure, today's class, now I am taking. Educated program is object. Educated program is a present indefinite tense. So, it's modal auxiliary. So, we have to write down educated program should be. Modal auxiliary should be, can be, could be, might be. This is the rules. Educated program should be. Same word, telecast. Educative program should be telecast by television. Just now I have completed the basic voice. So now I am going to another example. Books introduce us to the realm of knowledge. Just first of all, you have to find out the verb. Now, which word is the verb in this sentence? Verb, knowledge verb, the realm verb, ask verb, introduce verb, books verb. Just introduce this is the verb. So, sometimes most of the students missing the object. So, always remember it. After the verb, object is placed. So, to the realm of knowledge, not object. So, object, us. Object, us. So, first of all, you have to find out the object. Then, you make object into subject. Us, subject, we. Which tense is it? first rules, we are introduced to the realm of knowledge. We are introduced to the realm of knowledge by books. We are introduced to the realm of knowledge by books. Next example. So we should not waste time in vain. Just I call it this sentence from the board question. So everybody just give your mind clearly and try to understand all the class. So we should not waste time in vain. This sentence, which word is the verb? Just find out the verb. Waste, verb. So we can easily find out the object. So object must subject. So time. Moral auxiliary, time should not be wasted in vain. Then by. So already you have to write first of the sentence. In vain by us. So we should not waste time in vain. We should not. What is the meaning of Bangla? We should not waste time in vain. আমাদের বৃথা সময় নষ্ট করা উচিত। So I have to first of all I have to find out the object. If we miss the object, you cannot make voice. Passive voice. We cannot make the passive voice. So time object, I have to write down time. So in first place you have to keep it in the first place. So time should not be wasted in vain. Everything just you have to keep the ground the by. Keep into the by. Should be made by us. So next example. We present flower to our nearest and dearest person. Just you have to find out the tense. Whose tense is it? If you find out the tense, you have to notice the verb. What is the verb in the sentence? Verb. This is the verb. So then you have to find the object. Is it object? Not object. This is not. This is not object. So you never find object after preposition. But exception, just while verbal preposition, you can find out the object after verbal preposition. So object, this is object. This is object. So I have to change object into subject. Before the verb, any word may subject. Flower. floor is, according to my rules, floor is presented to our nearest and dearest person by us. Floor is presented. First of all, I have to find out which tense is it. How can you find out which tense is it? Just you have to notice the verb. Every sentence you have to find out the verb. After looking for verb, when you find out the verb perfectly, then you can say whose tense is it. So verb present. This is the present form. So we have to make the passive voice according to my rules. What's just I taught you in my previous class. So clause is presented to our nearest and dearest person by us. So don't miss the object in the sentence. If you miss the object, you cannot make passive voice. Just as go the next class, next example. Look at this word. Look at this sentence. The bear smelt his ears, nose, and face. Now we have to find out the verb, because first of all, if you don't find out the verb, we cannot solve this voice. So which verb? It's which object? Is it object? And it's verb. So verb, after verb, this is object. Object. After verb, object. Before verb, subject. So which tense is it? Is it? It is past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. So past indefinite tense according to my voice rules. Now I am solve this problem. Is, ears, nose, and face were smelt. Smelt, its past participle is smelt. His ears, nose, and face were smelt by the bear. By the bear. So I think you understand my word. How can we make active into passive? So now I show you some example, and I have told you details how can you make active into passive. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 example. This example, I think if you follow my class and previous class and the sheet what already I have given you, you can, if you teach, just if you learn these rules, you have to easily make active to passive. So no more today. Inshallah, next class we will meet at